Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities for Tuesday, December the 16th, 2025. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mostly down today, except for the Nasdaq Composite Index, which closed up by 0.23% at 23,111.46. The S&P 500 Index and Dow 30 Index both experienced declines, closing at 6,798.51 and 48,114.27, respectively. All indexes maintain a very strong positive trend. Today's market breadth revealed a predominance of declining stocks across major indexes. In the S&P 500 Index, decliners significantly outnumbered advancers. The Dow 30 Index showed similar patterns. Despite this, there is a very strong positive trend continuing across the broader market. Throughout December, the indexes show varied performance. Notably, the Dow 30 Index achieved a positive month-to-date return of 0.83%, while the S&P 500 Index had a month-to-date decline. Year-to-date returns remain strong, with the Nasdaq Composite Index up by 19.68%. Turning to sectors, consumer cyclical led the gains, closing up for the sixth consecutive day with a strong positive trend. Meanwhile, the technology sector closed higher at 5,604.90, although the trend showed mixed signals, displaying negative momentum amidst upward movement. Energy experienced the most significant decline among sectors, dropping 2.9% amidst a very strong negative trend led by downward volatility. The healthcare sector also declined, but its trend maintains a mixed positive outlook. In global markets, the Austria iShares ETF achieved a new all-time high close, up 0.46% at 34.62. Meanwhile, the Philippines iShares ETF also rose, closing up 0.96%, continuing its positive trend for the week. On return metrics, the Austria iShares ETF led with an impressive year-to-date total return of 65.09%. The Philippines iShares ETF showed a modest year-to-date gain. Overall, many markets reflected strong trends, with Austria notably enhancing its position among top performers. In the technology darlings category, Apple ended the day at 274.61, up 0.50, showing a mixed positive trend. Alphabet closed at 307.73, dropping 1.59, marking its fourth consecutive down day amid a mixed positive trend. Meanwhile, Amazon gained a marginal 0.2, closing at 222.56, while maintaining a strong negative trend. Meta Platforms saw a notable upward breakout, climbing 9.64 to settle at 657.15, marking a two-day consecutive rise. NVIDIA also closed positively at 177.72, an increase of 1.43 despite a prevailing negative trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 87,794.53, with a rise of 1,377.3, despite staying in a very strong negative trend and experiencing strong downward volatility for 3 days. Meanwhile, Ethereum shows a downward move, trading at 2,954.11, decreasing by 10.29. BNB has gained 12.72 to stand at 872.8 amidst a strongly negative trend. Solana rose to 128.53, up by 0.73, while dealing with volatility and sideways movement for 3 days. Dogecoin has risen to 0.1323, gaining 0.0024, offsetting its negative trend and volatility. Daily and total returns paint a challenging picture for cryptos. Bitcoin has a week-to-date return of minus 0.43%, demonstrating negative momentum. Ethereum continues to decline week-to-date at minus 3.56%. BNB and Solana are also facing week-to-date retreats at minus 0.62% and minus 0.68%, respectively. Long-term trajectories show significant year-to-date losses for Dogecoin, down 58.06% as volatility persists.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is exhibiting varied movements against major currencies. It's currently up against the euro at 0.8510, but down against the British pound, now at 0.7449. Against the Japanese yen, it's at 154.7060, declining after recent declines. The exchange rate with the Swiss franc shows further weakness at 0.7951, while gains versus the Australian dollar bring it to 1.5076.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.